Paper, pen, let's go. Word number 1, childhood. Childhood. Word number 2, common interests. Common interests. Number 3, personality. Personality. Number 4, extroverted. Extroverted. Number 5, introverted. Introverted. Number 6, hang out. Hang out. Number 7, dispute. Dispute. And number 8, the last one, qualities. Qualities. We can also say traits. Traits. Okay, now check your answers. Congratulations, you've just completed day 3. Tomorrow we will have a new topic. We're going to talk about school. So I'll see you. Hi, and welcome to day 4 of our 14-day fluency course. Today we're looking at the topic of school. Now let's have a look at our key vocabulary for today. Our first word for today is subjects. Now, subjects are the things that you study at school. So for example, maths and English are both school subjects. Let's have a look at our second word for today. Our second word for today is chemistry. Now, chemistry is a science subject related to chemicals. Let's have a look at our next word for today. Our next word for today is biology. Now, biology, just like chemistry, is also a science subject, but biology is the study of life. Let's have a look at our fourth word for today. Our fourth word for today is physics, and physics is the study of matter. Physics sounds like physical, but they are different. So remember that we study physics. Let's have a look at our fifth word for today. Our fifth word for today is geography. Now, unlike chemistry, biology, and physics, geography is not a science subject. It is the study of our world. Let's have a look at our next word for today. Our sixth word for today is grades. Now, grades are the scores that you get from an exam or from an assignment. So, for example, if you get 100%, you have an A grade. If you get 80%, maybe it's a B grade. Let's have a look at our next word for today. Our seventh word for today is report card. Now, report card is a piece of paper that your teacher gives you or your parents to show your grades and your behavior for the term or semester. Let's have a look at our last word for today. Our last word for today is major. Now, your major is what you study at university. So for example, if you study business at university, you can say, I major in business, or you can say, I have a business major. Let's review those 8 words. Let's take a moment now to review the 8 words we just learned. Are you ready? Subjects, subjects. Chemistry, chemistry. Biology, biology. Physics, physics. Geography, geography. Grades, grades. Report card, report card. Major, major. Well done, you've just finished the first video for day 4. In the next video, I'll put the words together to make a speech. See you then, bye.